Hey, third graders. Congratulations on getting that recorder. If you haven't received it yet, it should be coming soon from your teacher. Let's take a close up look at what the recorder has. You'll see that it has a top part to it. This is the front of the recorder. The front has all of the holes going up and down the instrument. And the back of the recorder, there's just one hole for the back. Up on top, take a close look here. You'll see there's a small little hole for blowing into. And you'll notice that the top of the recorder is curved. The way that you play the recorder is you're going to take your thumb, turn it sideways, and you're going to cover that hole in the back of the recorder. Make sure it's completely covered up. Bring your fingers around to the front, and you completely cover the hole to play the notes. Recorders take warm air to play. Warm air is a really special kind of air. It's that kind of air that you blow if you were sitting in the back seat of the car and it's cold and you're bored, so you lean up to the window and you blow on the window and start drawing on it. That same air is what we call warm air. It's slow air. Okay, got a tissue here. I'm going to blow onto this tissue, and I'm going to show you what warm air looks like when you blow on it. Get ready. You don't want to blow cold air. That's the air you blow if you were sitting at the table and mom brings up a birthday cake and they start singing happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha, happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha. And mom says, okay, make a wish and blow out all those candles. You know, you take that huge breath and try to blow every candle out, blowing your brains out. That's cold air. We don't want to do that kind of air into our recorder. We know what that looks like and sounds like. Wrong kind of air for recorder playing. That air is cold, it's loud, it's noisy. So let's take warm air and put it into our recorder. Remember how I told you how to hold it? Take your thumb, cover the hole in the back, take your first finger and try covering that very first hole. You're going to put this curved part on your bottom lip and then just put your top lip on top of it. Don't use your teeth. You don't need your teeth to play the recorder. These things are really tough plastic. They'll hurt your teeth, so don't bite on it. Did yours sound like mine? Try it again. Let's do a little copycat. Whatever I play, you play it back to me. I'll go first. Good. Jingle bells, jingle bells. That's the beginning of playing Jingle Bells. Hey, you guys are going to do pretty well. If you want to try to get your notes to sound nice and short sounding like mine, you're going to use your tongue. It's like saying the letter D for each blow that you do. For instance, if I went D, 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 that's what you want to do on your recorder. Okay, this first note here, one finger down, this note has a name. I have it on the board. It's called the letter B note. And notice I have all of our different kind of notes up here. Let's quick test and see if you remember them. This guy, Ta-T, good job. This one? Ah, I tried to trick you. It's a ta. Now, normally, it looks like this. Sometimes when you play the recorder, it'll be upside down. This guy here is our half note, half note. And remember the big circle down there? You don't. Well, let me tell you. This guy here is the longest, fattest music note you're going to learn from me. It's called a whole note. Here's how I'd like you to do it. You're going to clap it and say, very, very long note. It's 4 counts long. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put those words to it. Very, very long note. Very, very long note. Let's try playing the B's to each kind of note. Remember how to get your fingers on it? Where's your thumb go? That's right, on the back. And how many fingers do we put in the front? 1 finger. Squeeze those holes, but don't have to squeeze hard, just so that they're closed. Let's try playing the Ta-T. Ready? Go. Remember to use your tongue like you're saying the letter D. D, D. Try it again. Let's try playing a ta, like you're saying D. Half note. Remember how long it is? That's right, it's 2 counts long. We're not going to play 2 notes. We're going to hold 1 note out for 2 counts, for 2 seconds. Listen to mine. Ready? Let's try it together. Here we go. And now, the very, very long note. 1 note, 4 counts long. Big breath. What kind of air do we use? That's right, warm air. Okay, here we go. Not too loud. Ready? Play. Hey, nice job. Check out the videos that I put in Schoology, and they will show you not only the letter B note, but how to play another note. If you add another finger down, this note is called letter A. If you add 1 more finger down, so that you have 3 fingers down on the front, this is called letter G. So we have B, A, 2 fingers, G, 3 fingers. For this week, just practice trying to play those 3 notes. Maybe you can make a song out of them. Hey, that actually is the beginning of your first song, the White Belt song. And if you've been looking at my recorder and checking out all my cool colors, these are the belts that you can earn for your recorder. Starts with the white belt, and that first song that I just played is called Hot Cross Buns. It uses the B, A, and G notes. Then there's a yellow belt, orange belt, green belt, purple, blue, red, brown, and the black belt song. I sent a copy of each song along with your recorder to your teacher. Also, there are ways that you can look at it in Schoology. So check out those videos that I put in the Schoology folder. Remember, use the red folder for your recorder things. All right, guys. Good luck playing your recorder. See you later.